how to make project private on Asana. This is about be really helping you about it, as you can understand and see that is still be really determining by the thing that should be really defined by its projects, by what is going on about it, that is still to be really determined by about it, as you can understand and see it. And it's still to be ready to be open the project that you want to make a private, and then project settings, three dots on the right corner. So what we can do is exactly about the project settings, which is about three dots here, and then start to click on privacy and make it private. So how we can see that? So we can depend on the details that can be actually done on that. So we're gonna see that is about to make it archived better, to make a statement of the private section.